Your wallet is a prime target for anyone selling a bottle of magic liquid that promises to melt fat while you sit on the couch. You see a flashy ad or a polished website, and suddenly you are staring at a bottle of Lipo Wave Drops. The promises are bold and the graphics are bright. They tell you that a few drops a day will ignite your metabolism and kill your cravings. It sounds like a miracle in a bottle. But if you pull back the curtain just an inch, the whole thing starts to look a lot more like a house of cards. This product is being pushed across the internet with an intensity that should make anyone pause. Most of the websites selling these drops are brand new. They have no history and no reputation. Scam tracking tools are flagging them left and right. When you look for the science, you find a lot of buzzwords, but very little proof. They mention ingredients like gymnema and green tea extract. Sure, those things are fine on their own. People have used them for years. But there is zero evidence that this specific blend is going to transform your body without a single trip to the gym. The marketing claims suggest you can skip the hard work and just let the liquid do the heavy lifting. That is a dangerous narrative to buy into. Real users are chiming in, and the results are far from impressive. Some people feel a tiny boost of energy. Others feel nothing at all. There is no magic here. The company behind these drops relies on high-pressure sales tactics. They want your credit card information before you have time to think. They talk about money-back guarantees that are often impossible to actually claim. It is a cycle of hype and disappointment. If you want to change your health, you have to look at the foundations. No liquid supplement can replace a balanced diet and regular movement. These companies know that. They just hope you do not figure it out until after the transaction is complete. Think about the source. Why are these sites so hard to track? Why is there no transparent data on their testing? It feels like chasing a ghost. You deserve better than a mystery bottle sold by a company that might vanish tomorrow. Let us be honest with ourselves for a second. If weight loss were as easy as swallowing a few drops, the world would look very different. The reality is much slower and more intentional. It involves sweat and discipline. It involves actual food instead of processed shortcuts. Do not let a well-funded marketing campaign trick you into thinking there is a shortcut to longevity. It is frustrating to watch people get misled by these flashy promises. The internet is flooded with these types of offers. They pop up under different names, but the story is always the same. They target people who are tired and looking for a way out of the struggle. But the struggle is where the growth happens. You are stronger than a marketing gimmick. Stay skeptical and stay focused on the things that actually work. Your health is worth more than a gamble on a website with a low trust score. Real change happens in the kitchen and on the pavement, not in a dropper bottle from a mystery lab. Be careful where you put your trust. Your journey is too important to be sidetracked by a liquid quick fix that has more red flags than a parade. Focus on what is real and leave the hype behind.